In this lesson video, we will first define what is ratio, and then we will learn how to simplify ratio among 2, 3 or more quantities, and then we will learn how to find ratio when multiple quantities are given in various units, not in the same units. Let us define ratio using these two examples. Here, a class has 17 boys and 9 girls. So if we write the ratio between boys and girls, that is ratio of boys with respect to girls, that can be written as there are 17 boys, so 17, 9 girls, and ratio is shown, ratio between two quantities is shown using this colon sign. So the ratio of boys with respect to girls will be 17 ratio 9. But if we write ratio of girls with respect to boys, then the number of girls, that is 9, will come first, and the number of boys 17 will go next. So this is how we write the ratio between two quantities. Let us see another example here. In a survey among 100 people, so there are total 100 people, there are 35 married, 12 divorced, and rest is single. So the number of married people is 35, number of divorced are 12, and the rest are single. Rest means total 100 people, 100 minus 35 minus 12, that means 100 minus 47, which is 53. So this is the information given. Now if we want to write the ratio between married, divorced and single people, say married M, divorced D and single S. So ratio between married, divorced and single people will be 35, 12 and 53. So this is how we write ratio between three quantities. Say if we want to write ratio between single, married and divorced. So number of single people will come first. So 53 will come first. Then married 35. Then divorced 12. So from here we can see that how we can write ratio between two quantities, and here in this example we saw how we can write ratio between three quantities. Actually, ratio compares two or more quantities. So for example, how many boys and how many girls are there? This is telling the comparison that if there are 9 girls, then there will be 17 boys, or if there are 17 boys, there will be 9 girls. If there are 35 married people, then there will be 12 divorced people, 53 single people. So ratio compares two or more quantities. Here we saw how we can write ratio between two quantities and three quantities. This concept can be extended for 4 quantities, 5 quantities and so on. Say for example, 4 quantity ratio will be written as A ratio, B ratio, C ratio, D. That is, here A, B, C, D are 4 different quantities. So their ratio can be written as this. Similarly, we can extend it for 5 quantities or any number of quantities.